y'all, it's Shanae Beauty, and jumping right into this video, I'm going to start this wash day on week-old hair. I did apply a little bit of coconut oil, and now I'm going to prepare to shampoo my hair. And I've partnered up with My DNA to make this video. For my shampoo, I'm going to use My DNA sulfate-free shampoo, and this is supposed to cleanse and moisturize natural hair. The consistency of the shampoo is pretty liquidy, but it definitely lathered great in my hair, which I really like. And as always, I sectioned my hair into quadrants. This just really helps me to stay nice and focused and to make sure that all of my hair gets the TLC that it deserves. And as you can see, the shampoo is pretty liquidy, but it definitely gave me a great lather. And for those of you that don't know, I really like a good lather in my hair, especially with the shampoo. I just feel like it really cleanses my hair and scalp a lot better that way, and I really need a nice clean scalp. Once I've applied the shampoo on all 4 sections and worked it in really well, I'm just going to take all the clips out and massage my scalp really good with the shampoo in it, and then I'm going to rinse it all out. My hair definitely feels really clean after I rinse the shampoo out. And for conditioner, I will be applying the My DNA Detangling Conditioner, and this is supposed to strengthen and moisturize natural hair. I did apply the conditioner on soaking wet hair, and I also applied a generous amount just to make sure that all my strands were coated with the conditioner. And to make sure that the conditioner is worked in my hair really good, I am going to be using this wide tooth comb, and I really do like this comb. I used it on this wash day and also when I styled my hair. Once I feel the conditioner is worked in really well in this section, I am going to twist my hair just to keep that moisture locked in, and then I'm going to work on the other 3 sections of hair doing the exact same process. Once I finish applying the conditioner on all 4 sections, I'm just going to leave it in while I take my shower because this line does not have a deep conditioner, but I need that extra moisture. After my shower, I'm just going to rinse the conditioner out before I style my hair, and I'm rinsing the conditioner out with cool water. After I rinse the conditioner out, here's how my hair looks, and I'm ready to style my hair. And of course, I'm going to put a cotton t-shirt on just to absorb the excess water in my hair. Now it's time to start styling my hair, and I've had this cotton t-shirt on for about half an hour, and it seems as though my hair has pretty much dried, so I'm just going to section my hair for the flat twist, and I'm definitely going to add some moisture back in my hair before I start styling it. I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. But when it comes to the front, I'm just going to part my hair a little bit off center because I like a nice deep part when I wear my twist outs. And to help add some more moisture back into my hair, I'm going to mist a lot of water before I apply the leave-in conditioner from my DNA. So this is a leave-in conditioner and a detangler, and it's going to help to soften and detangle natural hair. I did apply a good amount of this leave-in conditioner in my hair just to make sure that my hair stay nice and moisturized, conditioned, and nourished. And I made sure to spray the ends of my hair too, and now I'm just going to work that leave-in conditioner in my hair really well. Now I'm going to apply the serum, and this is going to help with shine and frizz control. After I finish applying the serum in my hair and working it in really well, I'm just going to twist this section of hair up and continue this process on the rest of my hair. Now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner and the serum in my hair, it's time to start the flat twist. And I will be applying the defining custard, and this is going to help with some good definition in my hair. And here is the consistency. As you can see, it's pretty liquidy, but it is really good. So now I'm just going to part a small section of hair going vertically down. And I felt that that section of hair needed just a little bit more before I start the flat twist. And after I felt comfortable with the amount of hair in this section, I will be applying the defining custard in my hair. And to help work the defining custard in my hair better, I am going to be using my rat tail comb. Now keep in mind, this comb is really sturdy, so I'm not ripping my hair out. It just really helps to smooth down the hair cuticles for my flat twist. I'm just really making sure that my hair is tangle free and the product is smooth in my hair. Now to start the flat twist, I am just going to start at the top. That's going to be the beginning. I'm going to separate a small piece and then divide that piece of hair into two. So think of piece A, piece B. I'm going to start to wrap piece A around piece B like a regular 2-strand twist, and then I'm going to slowly add more hair as I go around. I'm just going to continue doing this process until there's no more hair to grab, and that's going to be at the back of my head, and then I'm going to start to 2-strand twist my hair. I will be combing my hair with that same rat tail comb just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth and tangle free, and I'm also going to twirl the ends of my hair with my finger just to help encourage the curl. And I'm going to repeat this process several more times until all of my hair is flat twisted. And here's the back section completed. And all of my hair completed, and it looks really good. And I'm gonna let my hair air dry and sleep on my satin pillow. It's the next day, and no, this is not the same shirt as the night before. And yes, this shirt is nice and clean. I just wanted to put that out there because I did not wear the same exact shirt back to back. I have 2 of these shirts. Anyways, I am going to mist my hair with some water to add some moisture, and then I am going to apply the serum right on top before I unravel the flat twist. My hair has a lot of volume, and I absolutely love that. And even though I do have some good volume, I am going to use my wide tooth comb to add some extra volume because this holiday hairstyle needs some extra va-va-voom volume. And after I'm finished, here's how the back of my hair looks. It's really nice and soft. And here's how the front of my hair looks. I have both definition and volume, which is going to make this holiday hairstyle even more poppin'. And I just think that the style came out really nice. And thank you so much for My DNA for collaborating with me to make this video possible. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!